Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to plant indoor plants and keep them in our balconies, our homes, our rooms. As we all know, indoor plants beautify our environment, beautify our homes. They not only do that, they provide us with oxygen because they're plants, and as they take in our carbon dioxide, they provide us with oxygen. Apart from that, being in a polluted city like Lagos, indoor plants help to clean our air. It helps to filter the air that comes into the house and produces fresh air. So, look at all the benefits. So, that's what I'm going to teach you today, how to have indoor plants in your house. Let's go.